Today I'll be showing you how I set up my table. I remember growing up, we never had a table. We used to sit on the floor. So drop it in the comment section if you were one of those person. So take a look. Okay guys, so let's get creative. So these stuff, as you can see, I put tape on the diamonds, the fake diamonds that is on here. So this is how it look. You get this color. They were so shiny and pretty when I just bought them, but look at them, they get so ugly now. So instead of me buying a new one for them to change and look like this again, I'm just gonna spray these because I love the flowers thing about it, and I'm gonna decorate it myself. So it's 8 of them. So I have this silver spray and I am going to just spray it. Okay. I'm gonna just right. So I'm gonna let that dry for a few minutes and come back. I'm gonna turn them over and then spray it again. Okay, so let's turn these over because they're dry. Just need a few minutes to dry. So you could get in the corner and spray in those corners. Yep. Okay. So now I'm just gonna spray these again. Alright. So I'll leave those to dry for 5 minutes. Setting up the table with my bling bling. Let's give you a little sample look right now. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like now. When it's finished, I'll be doing the next video. Okay, gonna tell me how it look now. Come on, you know. Little by little. Okay. So now the table is ready for dinner. Tell me what you all think. Did I do a good job? Could I do better? Is it an A plus? An A? Okay, A plus, I'm pushing it now. So is it a B, a, or a C? All right, let's go in the, break it down. Is it a plus, B, B plus, or C? Let me know in the comment section. So, okay, my phone doesn't look really nice right here, so let me move my phone and give you a far look. Okay. Let's take it up. So I need to turn the lights off and show you. That's it. What do you think? Take it back. Closer. So you can look on everything that I do. So the candles, the gloss. You want to know where I buy these stuff? Okay, let's tell you. So I bought my spoon set from Macy and my plate set. I bought this on Amazon. I bought this Home Goods. My cousin did the candle for me. I bought this placemat at Amazing Savings. This is my thing I bought at Home Goods, this shiny thingy. And this glass, I bought it at Home Goods. This one, I bought it at Macy. My cousin made this mat for me. Okay, my cousin made this for me as well. And then I bought these at Home Goods. These are candle holder. I did do it in my previous videos. And yeah, I bought this. I don't even take the prices off. That's it. I mean, I'm gonna take them off, but because I just finished with them, I'll just go back and take them off. My phone is ringing, you guys. Okay, so, and it's the same thing. But this bling bling, I love it so much. You know, it's really, 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 really nice. Somebody light my candle. I don't like that. This candle must light. Gotta have different candles. These are decoration candles. So when we're gonna light a candle at the table, we're gonna light different candles, not these that decorated. So I'm not sure who did that. Okay, so you see that? That's the full force. See the light? That's the light. What do you think? Did I do good? Huh? Did I do good at decorating the table? Tell me, guys. I'm waiting. Guys, if you come into my house every day, my table is set and looks like this. When it's time for us to use the table, we use it, but we don't always use the table because we have an island in the kitchen where we sit and eat. So my table look presentable like this throughout the day. If you come into my house, my table looks like this. But after I finish, it make me emotional because growing up, I used to sit on floor and eat my food. Whether if it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, we used to sit outside on a stone, and because we never have it, we were that poor. We never have it. My grandmother have a little table inside our bedroom, but it never even have a chair on it. So this goes to say, when you have something in life, we have to appreciate it because we never had this. My kids actually, you know, grow up now to see their mother in a better position than when I was growing up. So to God be the glory. No matter how small the things are, we have to be grateful. But anyway, guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you don't already subscribe. And drop it in the comment section. Let me know if you were one of those person who never have a table growing up and now you do, so you appreciate. No matter how little the things are, we must appreciate what God has done for us. Anyway, I just wake up editing this video and decided to do it and put it out for you guys. So tell me what you all think, if you give me a B, or a C. But let me tell you one more thing. The camera is not doing any justice for this table. When you see the table in person, it looks totally better than what it is in the camera. But bye for now, guys. I'll see you later. Also, guys, if there is something else that you'd like me to do, like a video, drop it in the comment section as well, and let me see if I can do it. I wanted to do a video by going to all the malls here in Jersey and to give you a view on how all the malls look. So tell me if you want me to do that in a video. I mean, I maybe could go one mall at a time and put it up and said, okay, this is that mall. So let me know if you want me to do that, so you could get a look in the beautiful malls here. All right, guys. Adios.